Welcome to our channel, Setting Up Google AdSense. Follow these verification steps to start monetizing your website or YouTube channel. Step 1. Complete AdSense application accurately. Provide correct website URL and personal information during sign-up. Step 2. Add AdSense code to your website. Copy provided HTML code and paste into your site's header. Step 3. Wait for initial approval email. Google reviews your application typically within 24 to 48 hours. Step 4. Verify your address when prompted. Google sends PIN by mail once you reach $10 in earnings. Step 5. Enter PIN in AdSense account. You have limited time to enter PIN before account suspension. Step 6. Verify phone number if required. Some accounts need phone verification for security purposes. Step 7. Set up payment method. Add bank account or check details for receiving AdSense payments. Step 8. Reach payment threshold. Earn $100 minimum before receiving your first AdSense payment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.